and Militant, Malik Big Roots Crew, Mr. Green, live from the streets. Yo, I'm trying to deal like paying the cost, the real price, man, it get rough. Know when these Timbs, it get scuffed. When I walk through, niggas ain't trying to get talked to. Wanna show love, man, these jokers that show snubs. So, I don't know what you yelling, Geronimo mofo. That black ass nigga standing behind you, carry your fofo. Don't even want no money, he wanna kill shit. He stuck on that silly 40 blunt, keep it real shit. I try to level it out, the devil is out. With all the heavy Metallica metal that's out. Several ways to save self for medical pleas. Up in Amsterdam, puffin' that incredible haze. The inevitable cannot really be measurable. I'm going different places that I thought I never would go. Maybe do Conan O'Brien or the Letterman show. Talk about life for me when I walk with a wife. Sometimes what I thought was precise was off with advice. Since it cost, I was off for the price. And since life was a gamble, I'm off with the dice.
Ho, 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 ho!